If Allah supposed the believers, why did Allah choose a man who couldn't read or write to teach the people about religion? The Quran tells us the answer to this question in Surah Al-Ankabut, chapter 29 of the Quran, which it tells us that, so that they don't say that he wrote it with his own hands. Because it's interesting to think that usually illiteracy is a negative thing to think about someone, but in the context of Prophet Muhammad is a positive thing. Why? Because if he had not been illiterate, he would be accused of writing the Quran or authoring it himself. So for him, it's a sharaf, it's a dignity, it's something which amplifies the proof for him, yes, and acts as a proof for him that he could not have authored this book. If Allah is all loving, then why would he create the hellfire? Because Allah is not just all loving, but he is also all just. And the hellfire is something which represents his ultimate doing of justice. Had it not been created, then justice would not be done. And if you don't think that it's merciful for God to put people in such a place, then you don't know, you have a low understanding of what it means to sin against such a God. Simple thing.